Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Google account and opening Drive. This gives you access now. Create a dedicated folder so files stay organized. Name it clearly, then decide sharing level, private, specific people, or anyone with link. Once done, enable offline mode on mobile or install Drive for desktop on your computer to sync files automatically. This saves time later and prevents conflicts. Make sure to set upload and conversion options so files open correctly in Google editors. Now you upload and organize. Drag folders or use new file/folder to add content quickly, then apply colors and descriptions to speed visual scanning. Once files are in place, use consistent naming conventions and add stars to priority documents so you find them fast. When you share, choose roles, viewer, commenter, or editor, and add expiration dates or disable downloads for sensitive files. By doing this, you control access and avoid accidental edits, while keeping collaboration efficient and auditable. To finish, leverage Drive's advanced tools. Use search filters and operators to locate items fast, and try AI suggestions for summaries or actions. Before closing, review version history to restore previous drafts or resolve conflicting edits. Recover anything deleted from trash within retention limits. If something goes wrong, pause and resume Drive for desktop, confirm you have storage space, and reconnect the account. These quick steps fix most sync issues. Finally, set a regular backup routine so your Drive data stays safe and recoverable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.